previously on License 101 with Beauty by Dinah, where everything is beauty related. Today, we're going to be doing a silk press using my lovely model, Courtney. In this tutorial, I will be showing how to get the perfect silk press. Let's get started. Started her off with freshly washed hair. I am going to go in with It's a 10 silkening balm. This is a thermal protector. So what it's going to do is cut down the blowout process. It's great for detangling. It creates smoothness and shine to the hair. Very lightweight product, and it helps with frizz. Color Wow Dream Coat. Great for stopping frizz, even in the worst humidity. Lastly, we're going to be going in with Chi Silk Infusion. It protects the hair against thermal styling, it keeps the hair moisturized, and bring back shine. I will be sectioning out and detangling Courtney's hair. The reason why I like to section out the client's hair is because it gives me a visual of how long the blowout process will be, and also it keeps the work looking neat. Now that I have an idea of how many sections I have on her head, it's easier for me to be able to time myself on the blow drying process, okay? So I'm gonna be using a round bristle brush. Round bristle brushes are great for textured hair, it's great for coarse hair, and it gives the hair very great luster, shine to the hair, and also it doesn't snag the hair. You guys will see me use 3 different round brushes in this video. I like to use at least 2 to 3 because every section of the hair is different. Like the back of the nape will be used with a smaller round brush, and then when you're moving forward will be used with like a bigger round brush, just to create the smoothness and the luster that the hair needs. I'm going to continue blowing out her hair. So one thing that I did notice about Courtney's hair is that she does not have any layers in her hair whatsoever. And I also noticed that she does have shorter pieces throughout her whole entire head. I personally feel when the client hair is fully blown out, you get to see where the split ends are, the damaged ends, the hair that is broken off. At this very moment, I will not be giving her a haircut, but I will be dusting off her ends. I am only cutting 2 inches off of her hair. We are going with a 0 degree, no elevation cut. So which means this is just a bob cut. I want to be able to keep her hair a little bit longer for different hairstyles. I'm going to be using my white towel just for you guys to see my guideline and how straight and even it is. But you guys also see that she does have shorter pieces throughout her hair. That is how she was made in the factory. I wish her hair strands were even throughout her head, but unfortunately it is not. So I'm working with what I have. Again, we're doing a 0 degree cut, no elevation, no layers, just a blunt bob cut. The flat iron that I'm using is the Babyliss Nano Titanium Flat Iron. When I'm flat ironing the hair, I'm using the chase method. So the iron goes first, and then underneath the flat iron will be the comb. The reason why I flat iron this specific way is because it gets the hair bone straight the first time. I don't need to go a second round with the flat iron on the hair. I personally feel like when you're doing a silk press, you don't need to be flat ironing the hair like more than once. Especially with curly hair, you don't want to alter their curl pattern with a lot of heat damage. So one pass of the flat iron is good enough. We're done with the hairstyle. I'm just doing my finishing touches with my hot comb. And that's basically it, y'all. That is literally it. You guys see the hair is super flowy, nice, bone straight with just one pass of the flat iron. And she's looking beautiful. She's looking bomb. She's looking beautiful. Like her hair is silky, straight, bone straight. And it's just giving everything. Today's Bible verse will be Psalm 16:5, verse 8. It says, I have set the Lord always before me, because he is at my right hand. I shall not be moved. Therefore my heart is glad, and my glory rejoice. My flesh also shall rest in hope. Thank you, beautiful people, for stopping by and watching this tutorial. Subscribe to this channel, comment, and like this video, and see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.